Hi, I'm Robert Steadman, New York Sales Manager for Berthon International, and welcome to this walkthrough tour of the Pearl 62 hole number 3. Let me show you on board.
Hello and welcome to Lymington. We have the Pearl 62 hole number 3. She was delivered in December 2020 to her current owners. And she's with us in Lymington for her annual service work. So she's had anti-foul anodes, engine serviced, and she is turnkey ready for the season. We now have 4 Pearl 62s in the UK. This one you can normally find on the Hamble River, and she is available for sale. So you have a big specification on board. So this is Kelly Hoppen's modern interior with a light oak finish, and she is in stunning condition. So all Pearl 62s are powered by the Volvo IPS, and that is the 1200 system. So that's on Volvo D13s, which are 900 horsepower aside. Those engines have now run 130 hours only, so still very much in its infancy. And of course she has a full service history. She's also been skipper maintained by a very reputable local skipper. And yeah, she's presenting in perfect, near perfect condition. Big feature of this boat is that she has 4 double cabins, and this is the private entrance to the full beam master cabin. I have to say this is one of the best master cabins I've seen on a boat of this size, if not the best. Very, very generous. This is definitely not camping, this is cruising in style. Got electric flush toilets on board. We have rainfall showers on all of the 3 heads we have on board. So all of the paintings and the plants are all part of Kelly Hoppen's accessories. These include the bedspreads, so this was an option from new. Like I said, this is a very highly specified example of the Pearl 62. And down below us right now is the Seakeeper 9 gyro stabilizer. That works effectively along with the Volvo Interceptor trim tabs. It's an extremely stable ride. As we look, this is the forward VIP. Again, we have lots of built-in storage as standard to these boats, and our clients spend many weeks on board. You really do need to come and see the boat to get the sense of space. It's very voluminous, very comfortable feeling on board. So we have 2 identical twin cabins, both convert to doubles. It's really simple to convert them. You just fold the sides down and pull the slats out. Then it's just a question of putting the infill mattress in. This is the day ahead. The port side cabin has access. Very nice fixtures and fittings. Like I said, this boat is 2020. She's still looking in fantastic condition, which is credit to the builders and of course the owners who have really looked after her. So we see the effect of that double windscreen. Gives that feeling of openness. This saloon is also a much loved feature of the Pearl 62. It's very sociable. You see we have this electric window leading to the cockpit, so fully opens up with the bifold doors, and we'll head up onto the flybridge. Again, this is another great entertaining space, which is how the Pearl's been designed. This one features a sun pad aft, but still there's plenty of seating space up here. A full Garmin radar on board. We also have the dynamic positioning system, so that will allow you to hold station when doing under 3 knots. It's a very useful feature of the Volvo IPS. And we achieve very good efficiency on board. We do 10 litres per nautical mile at a cruising speed of 24 knots. This boat will actually do 32 knots, but at 24 knots she cruises for 260 nautical miles on a full tank. If we slowed it down to 10, we'd look at tripling that range. So we have fully equipped wet bar, ice box, barbecue grill and fridge, and an upgrade with the ice maker. This boat's also fitted with an inverter. Almost full beam cockpit. In these really good wide side decks. Definitely feel secure walking around the Pearl 62. They really have made the most of this foredeck area. We've got 4 pop-up lights. We've also got our Fusion sound system up forward here as well, so we have that in the cockpit flybridge saloon, and then we have Bluetooth speakers throughout the cabins. This table neatly folds away when the boat is at sea. As I said, this example does boast a large specification. We also have underwater lights on board, an import water connection. We have an upgrade navigation system, so this includes radar and AIS, all Garmin throughout. And take a look at the engine room. So these are the Volvo D13 900 horsepower. She's done very modest hours. Recently serviced. And they're the pod drives. So this boat has been through a recent survey and she passed with flying colours. So we know she's in very good condition. Have our Kohler generator, so that's an 18 kilowatt generator. Now we'll show you the jet ski garage, which was an option from new. It is what most clients of the 62 have gone for. The other option is a crew cabin, but generally these boats are owner run, or if there is a skipper involved, it will just be more for day charters. So you can see there's the ski trolley designed around a Sea-Doo Spark. And that will pull out onto the high-low platform, which is also capable of carrying a Williams 345, so round about 350 kilos is in the safe working load. There's potential for a little bit more, but most of our clients run with a 345 as the biggest tender. So if you're interested in the award-winning Pearl 62, this is certainly a fantastic example to see available now with Berthon.